Hey friends, Greg here, Red Eyes. We're in Kent Island. It's a beautiful Wednesday, Thirsty Wednesday, having some George's Bloody Mary margaritas. Red Eyes is an awesome place, great food, great destination. And Red Eyes uses George's Spicy and George's Margarita. So come on in, let's check it out. Hey Amber, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Let me just ask you, what do you like? Let's go down here real quick. What do you like about using George's Bloody Mary Margarita mix?
Oh, it's quick, easy to use, and it's delicious.
That's awesome. Thank you, Amber. We're also local. We're out of Maryland, right here in Maryland. So enjoy, friends. Beautiful day. Drink more George's. Cheers.